When I say that Salesforce does it right, they do it right. So many times when I speak about AI online or with other marketers, they constantly refer to it as AI is the future. Bullshit, it's right now. From my standpoint, it's really just technology. You still need to add a human element into the processes of how you use AI. How can I still sound human? How do I not sound robotic? That's branding, that's product marketing, that is having a brand voice, having a personality, and it starts with knowing your customer. These are all things, by the way, that I talk about in keynotes. These are all things that I write about, I'm very passionate about through the End of Marketing, my book, blogs, even content like this. It's all about being human. AI really, to me, is the evolution of the internet. It's the evolution of technology. It's no different than we went from dial-up to Wi-Fi. We went from CDs to DVDs to streaming services, right? AI is just the evolution of the web. It's the evolution of the internet. It's the evolution of even how we communicate. You need to use it. You need to find ways, because if you are on the side of history where you're the one at your organization that's teaching, now you're a hero. But if your boss is to do it for you, or better yet, if your boss is to bring someone like me in to give them the roadmap, that's where you're gonna be on the side of history that you don't wanna be on, and that's a fact. So what we're gonna do now is we are going to build and launch my first agent. What's up, man? Carlos.
Liam.
Nice to meet you. So I'm an author, speaker. I've led social for brands throughout my career. I advise a lot of companies. The space that I've been in historically is social media and email marketing.
We're going to first enter some information.
Okay.
And what this information is going to do is it's going to tell the agent a little bit about you.
So this is my website right here, endofmarketing.com. My book is The End of Marketing.
Okay.
So it's a bestseller, multiple awards it's won. And the whole premise of End of Marketing, I think you can appreciate this, is humanizing your brand in the age of social media and AI.
Yeah.
So what I'm really intrigued to see is how Agentforce, how I can incorporate into this narrative of using AI to move fast, sift through the noise, but still incorporate personality.
So now that we put in the initial information, this is connected to a model in the background, and it is looking at your website, for example. It's probably scraping it a little bit to understand what you do and who you are.
That's cool.
So that it can give you some recommendations on starter points for agents.
So in an end result, would the agent be able to live on my website?
Yes. So one of the questions will be whether you want it to be an internal or an external.
Got
agent.
it. So what do we do?
So do we want to use one of these recommended agents, or do you want it designed from scratch?
I would say let's go with this one, the marketing mentor.
Okay, so let's click on there and then we'll put the headsets on. We're going to activate Einstein over here. So this is the voice assistant. We can do this with text, but this experience is showing the capabilities of voice-powered agents, essentially.
Okay. Oh, this is cool. Yeah, no, I can hear him. Oh, this is dope. All right, what's going on? What's your name? Awesome. Can I give you a real name though? Do you have a preference? What name would you like to be called? I'm gonna just call you Einstein. Is that cool? All right, so check it out. My name is Carlos Gill. I am the author of The End of Marketing. I am also an OG social media marketer. I consult, I advise, I speak. I have a website which is theendofmarketing.com. I want that to be a destination to where marketers can go and they can get real-time advice powered by Agentforce. Is that something that you're able to help me with? By the way, I just want to say the fact that I can sit with a headset and prompt, this in itself is a game changer.
Yeah, it's awesome, right?
Yeah.
And it's actually
like this beats like my thumbs going numb from having to type on my phone or constantly entering
carpal
prompts.
tunnels, right?
Yes, like this is awesome. I would say for now, let's just call it the No BS Marketing Wizard.
Would you like me to generate key responsibilities for the No BS Marketing Wizard, or do you have specific ones in mind?
You know what? I would love, Einstein, for you to provide me with 5 recommendations. Let's just keep this to 5. What are the 5 things that the No BS Marketing Wizard will be able to do for site visitors?
Here are 5 key responsibilities for the No BS Marketing Wizard.
So what that was doing is that was essentially the voice-controlled way of building an agent. It takes kind of the hands-on keyboard aspect out of it. So let me show you real quick. Once we deploy this, I'll be able to show you what the demo builder looks like on the inside. So how you build it out from scratch. And then on top of that, how you would actually test this before launching.
Got it.
Because it's one thing to build an agent and use AI, but when you're having your website visitors or your subscribers using the agent, you want to make sure it's giving right answers.
Got it.
So we're able to actually batch test potential questions from your website visitors, and you can give them thumbs up, thumbs down, which essentially trains it on what good answers are or aren't. There we go. So this is where those topics and actions were actually created. So
Okay.
you can add additional rules in here, the scope of work and guardrails to make sure it's not giving specific answers or...
So for example, this right here for analyze marketing trends, I take it is similar like ChatGPT. It's just like crawling real-time data.
Yeah, that's pretty much it. I'll skip the testing for now, and I think I gave you the brief overview.
Yeah,
of
man,
it, so
that's
we're good to go.
that's fire, man. I'm impressed, bro. I was able to build using a headset within under 5 minutes what could be literally for a one-man show, like multiple AI-based agents. It's cool because I've heard about AI agents so much, and I think how your standard internet marketers think of AI agents is almost like a chatbot on steroids, but this isn't a chatbot. This is a 24/7 employee, essentially, that's able to respond to text messages, respond to emails, respond to inquiries on your website, which now makes your website more sticky, or it makes your website more interactive. When we talk about data, the whole data play, where my mind immediately races to is if you have access to data, this is a way that you can be cultivating and nurturing your data 24/7. So the possibilities are endless. I'm gonna go sign up for Salesforce, like F it. I need to find a way to sign up, whether it's as a customer, consultant, hell, I'll come work for the company at this point. But like, I need to be tapped into Agentforce. It is definitely a game changer. I have a lot of ideas spinning through my head. And thank you so much to Salesforce for bringing me here. The way to level up in your career is you gotta put yourself in these spaces. You have to be on the front lines. You have to get front row seat to know what's going on, to then continue to level up. A lot of people have asked me throughout the years, hey man, like, how have you been able to stay leveled up as a marketer? Mind you, I'm in my early 40s now. I started doing this when I was in my mid 20s, and it's simple. I've always been on the front lines of innovation. When Snapchat was hot, I jumped on Snapchat. I learned how to talk into a phone and tell stories. When TikTok was new, I started jumping on TikTok. I started learning how to use TikTok to grow an e-commerce business. A lot of the principles and methodologies that I teach around humanizing your brand through the end of marketing, through the keynotes, it's all centered around using technology to reach more people, but do it in a way that doesn't scream sales, doesn't scream marketing, doesn't scream B2B, but instead it's all centered on people, connecting people, building relationships, and once you build those relationships, going deeper beyond the surface of a LinkedIn connection, actually getting to know them. And I think, and I know that if you're able to use AI to cut through all the noise, the website visits, the people that leave your website and they go to another website, you're able to retain more traffic. You're able to get in front of more people and have quality dialogue. That's where AI becomes a game changer. So you see a studio right here? I'm getting ready to sit at that studio. I'm gonna record a video. It's gonna be about a 5 to 6 minute video of what I've learned here. I hope you'll check it out. But for now, I'm signing out. Peace.